Hello everyone, my name is Juan Jose Clavijo and I am going to talk about the navigation of digital transformation in modern enterprises. Well, to start, the companies that have a really good adaptation of the technological impact are going to have a better develop in the market rather than the companies that don't adapt in a faster way because the costs are really going to be really low and the demand is going to be higher because of the range of the demand. Also, the technological part is used by every person right now. All the people have a laptop, a computer, a cell phone that it's only to open an app and purchase a gene. That's why the companies that has the technological part in their operations are going to success rather than the companies that doesn't have a technological part in their operations. Also, if a company use the technological machines, the newest ones in the jeans industry, the efficiency and the effectiveness is going to be higher, including low costs because people is not going to, the companies are not going to hire a really long staff. Um, well, the hypothetical brand is Ketchup Jeans. Well, in the industry, the jeans are of high growth. Usually, there are different brands that are making different jeans. The technological transformation is present in all the different parts of the company, in the marketing, in the human resources, in the financial part. Also, the industry is changing to the platforms to sell in the web by online in the e-commerce rather than in physical stores because it's better because it's a higher demand. You can sell a jean in a different country and it's really cheap. It's really cheap because you need to hire a lot of people to work. Also, this industry is of a high turnover, and also women's used to buy more jeans than men. The jeans can be categorized at really low costs as a standard jeans that is the most common, that the price it's not higher and the quality is good. Also, they have the premium quality and also can be divided in ages, sizes and styles. The blue one is the common one. Well, the brand is Ketchup Jeans, that is formed, is legally formed. Also, they used to sell just two products, two colors, the blue and the black, and two styles, the rib and the complete, because it's better because they can specialize in just two types of uh, styles. So the quality is going to be higher. And they used to sell to women between 15 and 50 because it's the people that used to buy more jeans. Well, this brand has a manufacturing point in Colombia. They used to sell in different countries because they don't have like physical stores. They used to sell all by platform, by their websites, by their website to South America, to Canada, to Mexico, to the United States, because their platform are really strong. So they had a lot of demand in different countries because of their platform. Also, they used to have like an agent in different country that is in charge of all the operations of the company. And the digital tool is WhatsApp. They can communicate really fast in a live communication with the managers with all the different files, if the agent needs more jeans or not or whatever. And the added value of this brand is the push-ups that all the women love, the push-ups of this brand. The digital transformation in this company is higher because is has a really impact in different files of this company. For example, in the design files, the designers can work with the digital transformation tools that they can make different styles without incurring in high costs. If the manager says, I want to change this little style, I want to change this part, the designer can restart the gene and make it again without paying any money. And also the digital tool can finish the part without the designer, so it's better, it's cheaper also. Also, the manufacturing machine is automatized in this brand. All the production doesn't require people because all is with the newest machines. So the machines can have a lot of productivity, efficiency. The effectiveness is really high with this machine, so the quality is going to be standard and is going to be really high. And also the sustainability part of these machines is going to be really high because are new machines. So the technological part of these machines is that they are not going to waste a lot of energy, so that's good for the company and the environment. Also in the financial part, for example, all the information and the data of purchases, of costs, of investments, of clients, of everything is going to be in the cloud. So the managers can see all the information in live action, in live. So if anyone change something, the managers is going to look at that. That's why the managers can have an action plan based on the information in the cloud. So they can change parts of the technological adaptation or whatever. Also, they can use the e-commerce model. They have really strong platforms, as I said, so they can sell products in different countries. Also, in the marketing part, they have they sell in an international way. So they used to have a marketing plan in Colombia. They take pictures for models, the push up of the jeans, and they send it by WhatsApp, by email, and the agent in each country posts that images. So it's going to be faster and better for the company because they are not going to have a marketing plan for each country. It's just one. You can send it by a WhatsApp, by this digital tool, and in Instagram or Facebook or TikTok they post it, and they are going to have a really high demand. Well, in the ethical part, they have softwares that prevent that hackers enter into the cloud and steal all the information of the brand. Also, it's important that all the workers were like in a ethical line, uh, and the company protect all the integrity of the workers. The problem is that with the human resources, the digital transformation is that the human resources is hiring people rather than retain all those people, because they used to hire people by Indeed, by LinkedIn with high education, making an opportunity cost, changing and firing the people with a lot of experience. So they are not like retaining all this because human resources is using the digital transformation to find better candidates for each type of position. Uh, well, and also the sustainability part is that these jeans are in the fashion file, so people is changing their products. Uh, that's why all these products are going to be in the sea and whatever. Also, the artificial intelligence is applied here in every part because it can reduce all the costs. It can have an intelligent plan or how is going to be the demand in the future. So the artificial intelligence is going to tell how many jeans do the managers need to produce, or at what cost. Yeah. Also, it's important that all the managers have to be like in a good mood with the technological part. So all the people is going to be positive and is going to work happy about that. So that's why the human resources need to be like different surveys, in terms of asking all the workers if they are happy with the changes or no, so the managers can change the technologicals that are not good or improve or maintain. Also, it's important the trainings because in the human resources the trainings must be like necessary, because the productivity is going to be higher. And also it's important to have a really flexible environment for all the workers to be and maintain the same line of productivity and standard. Also, the human resources used to have like audits of third parts. So the third part the company of the third part is going to be in the different files or in the different areas of the company, and like have a measuring of what is good, what needs to change, or yeah. And the communication between all the parts of the company is really important. Well, the strategic plan of the digital transformation is to have a really good a really good communication between the managers, all the supervisors, and all the people to have the same line of vision of being the best company of the market in terms of the adaptation of the digital transformation. Um, Also, it's important to work in a ethical way, because the line of the ethical way is important in terms of don't give any information of the cloud that any person has an access in the company. So it's important to be in a ethical line. Also, it's important to have an specialized software, so the manufacturing part of the automatization is going to be really fast and the productivity is going to be higher. Also, it's important to retain the talent. Also, it's important to make the corrections in terms of the platforms of the marketing plan. Also, it's important to maintain all the historical data in the cloud, so it's better to work like in live. And also, it's important to maintain the people. Yeah. Also, it's important to work in like honestly, as I said, and evaluate as a third part all the different files of the company. Also, it's important to ask with different surveys if the people is feeling good with the changes, if not, what to change. And also, it's important to train and stay like actualized in the new machines that are in the market in terms of the sustainability and the productivity. In conclusion, it's important to apply all the technological part to the company. It's important to maintain all the people with the same vision of the technological adaptation. And also, it's important to sell in the web, sell in platforms rather than in physical store, because people used to have like cell phones, so it's better for them. Also, the connection between the managers and the communication between all the parts is really important. And finishing, this company is going good with the digital transformation because it has the newest machines, all their parts, the marketing, as I say, the human resources, the financial part is applying with the same line of the digital transformation. Well, do you have any question? I will be really happy to hear questions. Maybe in the discussions post you can ask me by Teams. I am Juan Jose Clavijo, and that's it. Thank you so much.